To replace the system fan, first remove the access panel. Next, detach the fan connector to the motherboard. Remove the 4 screws that attach the fan to the rear of the PC. Keep your hand on the fan as you remove the last screw to keep it from falling. Then pull the fan out of the PC. To replace the system fan, align the fan so that it is blowing outward. Arrows on the fan indicate the direction of spin and airflow. Line up the 4 screw holes in the fan with the 4 screw holes on the rear of the PC and replace the screws. Reattach the fan connector to the motherboard.